Stop for just a second and ask yourself, are you constantly tired, even after a full night's sleep? Do you feel heavy or bloated after meals? Have your blood tests come back with elevated liver enzymes, ALT or AST higher than they should be? If any of that sounds familiar, this video could genuinely change your health. Your liver is the hardest working organ in your body. It performs over 500 functions every single day, filtering your blood, breaking down fats, metabolizing hormones, and neutralizing toxins. It never clocks out. But when your diet is high in sugar, processed foods, or unhealthy fats, fat starts building up inside the liver, a condition called non-alcoholic fatty liver disease, or NAFLD. And here's the alarming part. Roughly 1 in 4 adults in the United States has it, and most of them have no idea. Today, we're walking you through a science-backed, 7-day liver reset plan, divided into 4 phases, with the research behind every single step explained clearly. Let's get into it. The goal of the first 2 days is simple: reduce the load on your liver and start mobilizing the fat stored inside it. Morning routine: why lemon water? First thing in the morning, squeeze half a lemon into a glass of warm water and drink it before anything else. This isn't just an old folk remedy. There's real science behind it. The citric acid and vitamin C in lemon juice stimulate your liver's production of glutathione, your body's most powerful natural antioxidant. Glutathione is what your liver uses to neutralize toxic chemicals and metabolic waste. Warm water, meanwhile, improves gut motility and helps your liver's bile flow more efficiently, making the entire detox process smoother. Breakfast: 2 boiled eggs and plain yogurt. Eggs are one of the richest dietary sources of choline, a nutrient that actively prevents fat from accumulating in the liver. Research has confirmed that choline deficiency is one of the primary drivers of fatty liver disease. Yogurt brings in probiotics that balance your gut microbiome, and this matters more than most people realize. Your intestines are directly connected to your liver through the portal vein, which means an unhealthy gut sends a constant stream of harmful compounds straight to your liver. For these 2 days, cut out bread, white rice, and refined carbohydrates entirely. Here's why. Refined carbs cause rapid spikes in blood glucose and insulin, which triggers a process in the liver called de novo lipogenesis, meaning your liver converts excess sugar directly into new fat. Lunch: a large salad, cucumber, tomato, a pinch of black pepper, with a serving of boiled chicken or lentils like red lentils or chickpeas. Cucumbers contain compounds called cucurbitacins, which have been shown to reduce liver inflammation. Black pepper contains piperine, a bioactive compound that significantly increases the absorption of nutrients, so the good stuff you eat actually gets where it needs to go. Dinner: a bowl of fresh vegetable soup, light, warm, and nourishing. At night, your liver shifts into its deepest repair cycle. The lighter your dinner, the more energy your liver can devote to healing itself rather than processing food. The golden rule for days 1 to 2: keep salt and sugar as low as possible. Excess sodium causes water retention and puts added pressure on the liver. Excess sugar, especially fructose, is directly converted into liver fat. These 2 alone are responsible for a massive portion of fatty liver cases in America. Phase 2, days 3 and 4, the repair phase. By day 3, your liver's detox pathways have begun to open up. Now it's time to give your liver the building blocks it needs to actually repair damaged tissue. Breakfast: a chickpea flour flatbread, also known as bisan roti, with yogurt. Chickpea flour is a low glycemic index food, which means it releases sugar into the bloodstream slowly and steadily rather than in a sudden rush. This matters enormously for liver health. Chronically elevated insulin levels accelerate fat storage in the liver and block the liver's ability to burn existing fat. Chickpea flour helps keep insulin stable while also supplying plant-based protein your liver needs for cellular repair. Lunch: fish or legumes, like kidney beans or black chickpeas. Fish, particularly fatty fish like mackerel or sardines, is one of the best sources of omega-3 fatty acids. A 2020 study published in the Journal of Hepatology found that omega-3 supplementation reduced liver fat by 20 to 30% in patients with fatty liver disease. Legumes offer resistant starch, which feeds beneficial gut bacteria and reduces the amount of harmful lipopolysaccharides reaching your liver through the portal vein. Snack: anytime. 5 almonds, or 1 walnut. Almonds are loaded with vitamin E, a fat-soluble antioxidant that protects liver cells from oxidative stress. This is critical because oxidative stress is the primary mechanism by which fatty liver progresses into liver fibrosis, and eventually cirrhosis. Walnuts contain alpha-linolenic acid, a plant-based fatty acid your body converts into omega-3s. Dinner. Lightly cooked vegetables, like zucchini, pumpkin, or a similar low-starch vegetable, prepared with minimal oil. These vegetables are high in fiber, low in calories, and easy to digest. Less oil means less lipid processing demand on your liver, freeing up its energy for the repair work happening overnight. Phase 3, days 5 and 6, the fiber flush phase. These 2 days are specifically designed to flush out the toxins your liver has been working to process and package for elimination. How does fiber actually help the liver? Here's something most people don't know. Your liver neutralizes toxins by dissolving them into bile, then sending that bile into your intestines for elimination. But if you don't have enough dietary fiber, those toxins get reabsorbed through the intestinal wall and sent right back to the liver, forcing it to process them all over again. This cycle is called enterohepatic recirculation. Fiber breaks that cycle by binding to bile acids and carrying them out of your body through stool. Breakfast. Oatmeal cooked in water or a small amount of milk, topped with a pinch of cinnamon. Oats contain a specific type of soluble fiber called beta-glucan, which binds to bile acids, reduces cholesterol absorption, and keeps your digestive system moving. High cholesterol frequently accompanies fatty liver disease and accelerates its progression, so this matters. Cinnamon contains cinnamaldehyde, an active compound that controls glucose uptake in cells and improves insulin sensitivity. Studies have shown that just half a teaspoon of cinnamon daily can meaningfully lower liver enzyme levels in individuals with fatty liver. Lunch. Brown rice, multigrain bread, or a large mixed vegetable salad. Unlike white rice or refined flour, brown rice retains its bran layer, which is rich in insoluble fiber. This fiber speeds up intestinal transit time, meaning toxins spend less time in your gut and have fewer opportunities to get reabsorbed into your bloodstream. Dinner. Lentil soup or a bowl of lightly seasoned vegetables. Simple, clean, low sodium. Lentils contain 2 sulfur-containing amino acids, methionine and cysteine, that are essential for phase 2 liver detoxification, specifically the sulfation pathway. This is the biochemical process your body uses to deactivate and eliminate excess hormones, medications, and environmental chemicals. Phase 4, Day 7, Liver Rebalance Day. The final day is about stabilizing your digestive system and gently preparing your liver for long-term, sustainable healthy habits, not just a one-week fix. Breakfast. A whole fruit, apple, pear, or papaya, with a small handful of mixed nuts. Papaya contains papain, a digestive enzyme that supports protein breakdown and eases the workload on your digestive system. Apples and pears are rich in pectin, a soluble fiber that has been specifically shown to lower blood triglyceride levels. Elevated triglycerides are one of the clearest metabolic markers of fatty liver disease, so bringing them down is a direct win for your liver. Lunch. A balanced plate. 1 portion of quality protein, 1 portion of fiber-rich carbohydrates, and plenty of vegetables. Think of this plate as the blueprint for your life after this reset. Balancing your macronutrients, protein, fiber, and healthy fats keeps insulin levels stable throughout the day. And stable insulin is the single most important factor in preventing fat from reaccumulating in the liver. Dinner. A light vegetable broth or steamed vegetables, minimal seasoning, minimal salt. Between roughly 10 p.m. and 6 a.m., your liver runs its deepest repair cycle. A light, easy-to-digest dinner is the single best thing you can do to let that process happen fully. Think of it as clearing the way so your liver can do its best work while you sleep. OUTRO. This 7-day fatty liver reset isn't a magic pill, and it's not a crash diet. It's a science-based, natural protocol that works with your liver's own biology, giving it the right conditions to clean itself out, repair damaged cells, and restore its full function. Here's what you need to remember. The liver has a remarkable capacity to heal itself. Unlike many other organs, it can regenerate, but only if you give it the environment it needs to do so. Use these 7 days as a reset button. Then, gradually carry these habits forward. You don't have to be perfect, You just have to be consistent. If this video was helpful to you, share it right now with someone in your life who's dealing with fatigue, bloating, or liver concerns. You could genuinely help them. And subscribe to NatureWise Essentials, because every week, we bring you science-based wellness content that's actually grounded in research, not trends. Your liver has been working for you every single day. Give it 7 days in return.